I'm not sure how this is going to pan out in this one. You can see what I'm saying. Welcome back, folks. So now I'm in my micro bakery and we're going to test out this new Halo core on cream. So I've actually pre-washed everything, so it's all done. So with this, you just push it straight in, basically, and a bit of a twist, I think. There you go, like that, and it's in. You go, and twist. And for this test, we're going to be using this product. Okay, it's a full litre. It's a commercial product. And I always do my tests on this. This generally works out. It could all be like fresh cream or whatever, but generally speaking, that is how it is. So remembering what we have to do with this on the back here. Sorry, push down. Yeah, so if it goes up like that, you've got to go like that to release it. So to start, so we'll whack him up to full speed. We're knocking down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 7, 8 marks on there. And we see that whips up. To me, it wants to probably come up to just almost the sort of not filling a lot up, but I'm not sure how this is going to pan out in this one. You can see what I'm saying. In fact, I might just run with it because it looks as though it could end up going over the top of the bowl. I've never really seen anything that's got 2 whisks in one. It's getting thick. Double the speed. It's getting very close now to the actual finishing part, looking at it. That's getting quite tight there, look. It's just going to start hitting its full volume. Any minute now she's going to start flipping about. You can see that centre there, look, starting to go. You can see we've got the volume coming up there now. We're only taking about 4 minutes to do this. We're almost getting to maximum volume now. That's it, maximum volume. That is maximum volume there. What I've noticed that may concern people, it doesn't whip so well up here. So if you're doing a litre, on that top part, it's not mixing that brilliantly. But let's get them off and have a look. So round here it hasn't mixed as well up the top here, and normally when you're whipping cream you shouldn't have to put a spatula in to do it. Gonna say, looking at that, that's mixed bang. I wouldn't worry too much about that bit though, you'd never notice it in a donut. Looking at it, I'm saying mixing with the 2 on there, I think you're going to get me really excited. But look at the mess you've got. Again, the mess all round here. But there again, this is a full litre in there of cream. So generally, what is my thoughts? Well, I can't go wrong with this. I'm actually liking that. The two whisks instead of one works a lot better than the one. So against the Halo Pro, that's a lot better at doing cream. So you get a thumbs up from me for doing cream. Okay, just cream. Okay, we haven't mastered anything else with it yet, but cream, you get a full thumb up. Yeah, little bit around the top there, but I'm happy. I'd say that's happy for everybody. The Pro version, it didn't do it as well, but the little one, yeah, banging. That's 1 litre. So, but bear this in mind, the Pro version was a bigger bowl and you were expecting an awful lot from it. And bear this in mind, this isn't cheap as chips and it's bloody plastic, to be honest. I looked at it last night and I thought, the machine's made of plastic. It's not even no metal in it, apart from maybe some, hey, I'm not even going to go there. Maybe the cogs inside are all plastic as well. Well, we know what the Chinese are like at the moment. They make everything in-house. So this could be the interior of a car. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And now we'll move on to the next test. Slow speed. I think it's going to be needing to be up nearly, that's halfway.